Do you have an error with the Formulator Synthesizer DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get 4ormulator Vocoder VST, 32-bit, working again. Before we get started with Formulator Synthesizer, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Formulator Synthesizer, the core processing library for the 4ormulator Vocoder Extreme plugin, implementing formant shaping and resonance modeling used in vocal synthesis. If missing, legacy audio projects may fail to load the plugin and report errors such as Invalid VST module. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Missing Formulator Synthesizer DLL data often points to a failed patch within the 4ormulator Vocoder VST 32-bit integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Formulator Synthesizer file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. A vital technical reminder: modifying Formulator Synthesizer DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool link below for Formulator Synthesizer. If this fix repaired Formulator Synthesizer dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.